Hi, this is Yumi from Level Up, product support for WordPress. In this video, I will show you how to use shortcodes in your WordPress sidebar widgets. Do you want to learn how to use shortcodes in your WordPress sidebar widgets? Then you are in the right place. Before that, let's see, what is a WordPress shortcode? Shortcodes allow you to add dynamic items like contact form, tables, and others inside your WordPress content area. But what if you want to add a shortcode in the sidebar widget of your website? This is how to do it. First thing, you need to decide what shortcode you want to use. For this tutorial, let's use the contact form shortcode as an example. On the left side panel, browse Appearance, select Widgets, and simply drag and drop a text widget. Now, you can add a widget title and place your shortcode inside the text edit area. Click Save to store your widget settings. Once saved, reload your website and you can see the shortcode in action. Easy peasy, right? I hope this video tutorial helped you learn how to easily add shortcodes in your WordPress sidebar widgets. If you have any suggestions and comments, please drop them below. And if you want more video tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching!